Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show. Today, we're looking at an ink that I made, and I am calling it Marilyn Darling Starry Nite. Now, this just looks like your ordinary black ink. And you would be right, except for one thing. I put sparkles in it. Isn't that cool? I'm trying to get the angle just right. Sparkle plenty. I made my own shimmer ink because I didn't want to buy a bottle of $38 ink when I knew that I could go down to the store and buy a little tiny bottle of silver luster dust for $5. Now, if you're not familiar with inks, I wouldn't suggest making your own. But if you are familiar with ink, and you're curious and you really want to make some, I will show you how to do that at the end. But for now, we're going to compare it with some inks that I found online if you're not comfortable making your own. The closest that I can come to is Night Sky by Diamine. Diamine also makes moon dust, but it's on a grayish color. Robert Oster makes one. Diamine moon dust in a bottle. Robert Oster. Squarey Rose. Although it doesn't look very shimmery to me. This one has red luster dust in it, you can tell. Diatramentus Pearl Essence Velvet Black Copper. This one has some maybe gold. This is Organic Studio Jazz Hands. These are silver shimmering bestsellers. So you can take a look at some of these and maybe get an idea of inks that you might have that you can add silver luster dust to get an effect that you might like. Now, am I telling you to go out and buy some luster dust and pour the whole thing in? No. Please, stick around till the end. I just used an itty-bitty teeny-weeny bit because I know how hard it is to get luster dust to move in a pen. And also, I would not advise doing this in a pen that you like. So, if you have, like, a Jinhao 992, you know, I'm using a Jane Davenport because I'm not a fan of this pen, and also it doesn't have a nib housing. Like, the nib housing and the grip are basically one piece. So I don't have to unscrew, I could just wash the barrel of the grip out. And it uses an International Universal Cartridge Converter. And it has a little ball in there, so I can just, you know, give it a light shake. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but if you give it a light shake, you can hear the ball rattling around. Get the ink in suspension. And we're going to start with the day. Today is October the 20th. ...2019, and I believe today is Sunday. Yes, Sunday. I made my nightie. I should know it is Sunday. So, pen is Jane Davenport. The ink is Starry Night. This is a 1.5 millimeter stub nib that I got. Oh gosh, I can't frickin' show you the damn thing. At any rate, you'll just have to believe me. It's a 1.5 millimeter stub. I got this in the... I got the number 5 nib from Pen Friend Freddy, and I got the pen from Pen Friend Sharon Bennett. So thank you so much, Pen Friend Sharon Bennett. Thank you, Pen Friend Freddy. I got the ink. I got the Parker ink from Staples. I just walked in, picked it up, and I got the Silver Luster Dust from, what did I do with the paper? I got the Silver Luster Dust. It's Sunny Side Up Bakery Luster Dust 0.03 ounces or 2 grams at Hobby Lobby. I mean, for like $5 to get luster dust that will last you for years if you don't use a whole lot. Oh my gosh. So, if you're interested in how I made this, stick around to the end because you're gonna see. No bleed through on the back. I'd totally use the back side of this paper, only where I made the mistake on the E. That's awesome that it doesn't bleed through. I was so worried that it was gonna bleed through everything, but it doesn't look like it's going to. Be right back. Alrighty then, let's get into the mead. 3 by 10.5 by 7.5. Looks like we're gonna need a new page. Woo. Okay. Doesn't smear too far, so it's a very dry ink. Let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost dry after 5 seconds. That's good. Oh, and here's where the real test is. Ha ha! Did not bleed through the paper. I totally thought it was gonna bleed right through. Some very heavy ghosting though, but that's okay. Oh my gosh. Let's see, do we get the sparkle? Oh, we get the sparkle. Oh, that's fantastic. Yep. Totally sparkly. That is nice. Oh, man. That's fantastic. So happy right now. Alright, let's get into the writing tablet. 5-ish by 8-ish by iScholar.com. Shop iScholar.com. This is another one that I think might bleed through, but let's try it. Two, 3, 4, 5. Little running after 5 seconds still. So, oh, how much you want to bet it's gonna bleed through? Haha, no bleed through. That is awesome. Do we get the shimmer though? Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Oh man. Is really exciting. Oh, I love shimmer ink. I love it so much. I'm terrified to put it in one of my expensive pens. Alright. Let's move in just a little bit closer. We're gonna look at the memo book by Walmart.com. 3x5. Oh, we're gonna have to move our sticker. Okay. Nope. Still a little bit wet after 5 seconds. But everything is dry after 10. So that's nice. No bleed through on the back. I would totally use the back side of this paper. That is amazing. Alright, now let's move into the CVS Caliber notebook, 6 inches by 4 inches. Dry after 10 seconds. Cool. No bleed through on the back. I would totally use the back side of this paper. That's amazing. I swore all of these were going to bleed through. And you can still see the sparkle coming through. Oh, it's wonderful. Oh, man. Alright. Let's look at the Fabriano Eco Qua 85 GSM. Alright. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Still wet after 10 seconds. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. But everything is dry after 20 seconds, so that's good. No bleed through on the back. I'd totally use the back side of this paper. Wow. Do we get the sparkle? Oh yeah. Totally get the sparkle. Oh, such a shame you guys can't see the sparkle. Oh yeah, you can. There it is. Isn't that nice? Wow. Alright. Moving on to the Birmingham Pen Company 52 GSM Tomoe River paper, 3.5 by 5 1/3 ish. Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Everything is dry after almost 20 seconds, so that's good. No bleed through on the back, but super heavy ghosting. It is 52 GSM, so that is to be expected. Alright, last but not least, we're going to be looking at Clairefontaine. 6-ish by 8-ish, 90 gram, 24 pound, 90 gram. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay. $10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 seconds, everything is dry. Cool. Alright, the smear test looks good. Wetness and flow looks good. Pure Gustafson test. A-. It's a stub nib, so I keep having to twist it just to get it to write funny. But other than that, it does work very nice. The pen, anyway, this Jane Davenport, really kept up with the 1.5mm stub, which I totally did not think it was going to be able to do. My favorite book is Clairefontaine right at the moment. I am definitely going to buy another of the Clairefontaine books, but just of the regular line. This stuff makes me dizzy. Anyway, if you thought that this was interesting, stick around for the next part. I'm going to show you guys what I did last night and show you how to make some of this on your own. I hope this was fun for you. That's all for today, so thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Okay, love you, bye. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show. Today, we're going to be doing an experiment, and I wanted to bring you guys along because if I mess it up, it's all your fault. I'm just kidding. So, today, I am going to attempt to make my own shimmer ink. Now, I know what you're saying. Oh, this is gonna be a mess. And you're probably friggin' right, so shut up. Okay? Went to the Hobby Lobby, and I bought silver luster dust. Food grade silver luster dust, in hopes that it will wash out. And this is made with titanium dioxide, which is usually how they make white powdery substances and pearlescent pigments. So you can already tell that I've gotten it everywhere because I'm a dumbass. I'm going to try not to get it inside my bottle of black ink. I'm trying to wipe this off. It's been collecting dust for a really long time. I don't use this black ink very much. I mean, it's just not something I use a lot anymore. Not even at work. I mean, at work I use my black fountain pen, my black space pen. I use this. This is a Lombatow 3009 space pen. I love this space pen. It's got Jinhao black in it. It's one of my favorite blacks. Anyway, enough of that. We're gonna take a couple of ounces of, no, not a couple of ounces, a couple of milliliters of ink. We'll say 2 milliliters of black ink, and put it in a vial. Oh, this is going to end very badly. I can already feel it. So, close that up, put it away, so you don't contaminate anything else. And I made this little scooping spoon. And then a couple days ago, I made this here contraption for holding many things. I'm gonna open this, keep it in one hand, use my little scooping spoon to just do a little bit of silver luster dust. Oh, this is gonna end very badly, I can already tell. Man. That is on there good and tight, yeah? Okay. Put that in there so I don't spill any of that. And then I am going to take... I hadn't thought about how I'm going to stir this just yet. I don't know. I can use this. I'll stir this up a little bit. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. Probably not. I mean... Can't see it, can you? It might happen once it's dry, though. It might need more. I'm going to use a little more. Oh... I don't know how much silver luster dust to use, so I'm just kind of eyeballing it. I'm hoping for the best, because we all know how much of a crazy I am, and oh, you can totally see it. I love it. Oh my gosh. I am a brilliant scientist. That's all there is to it. Oh man, that is such a good idea. Here, so I don't spill it everywhere. And oh my gosh, you can see all the little sparkles. Oh! What should we call this ink? So you can add your own sparkles to ink. Now here's a question. What pen should I put this in? Oh man, that's so cool. Can't really see the sparkles in there, but I know that they're in there. Oh, actually, I can see the sparkles. Maybe a little too far away. Oh, you can't really see it through the camera. You'll have to take my word for it. You could totally see the sparkles. Oh, wow. It dries all sparkly. Oh, that is really cool. Oh, that is so cool. Okay. Now that I'm done losing my mind, again, what pen should I put this in? Which one do I want to destroy? That is the question, because it's probably going to ruin a pen. I want the sparkles to be shown off really good. So let's go in the pen box and rummage through these pens. Let me see which one is already ruined. I want one with a broad pen. I'll do that one. I kind of want to put it in a Jinhao 3 zeros. Yeah, 992. Or maybe this black Jinhao 599. I know I don't want to put it in my brand new Monteverde Monza because if it ruins it, I'm going to be devastated. I know, I'll put it in the Noodler's pen. Should I? No. I won't put it in the Noodler's pen. I want to put it in a really broad pen. Aha! I think this one is. Is this one oh, it's an aerometric converter. Oh no. I know what I can do. I can take the nib off of this and pop it in a Jinhao 992, and then I'll be rocking and rolling in business. What do I do with the Jinhao 992? Or I could put it in the one that Freddy gave me. Where is it? Aha! Yas. Put it in the whatchamacallit pen. Yes. Yes. Put with the broad nib in the Jinhao. Oh, god dang it. Why does everything like to fall on the floor? Why? Why does everything like to fall on the floor? Every time I touch something, it has to fall on the floor before I can be productive with it. It's unbelievable. Ugh. Stupid desk. Okay. Pop the Jinhao 992 on there. And then I'll pour this. You guys cannot see what I'm doing, can you? Pour that in there. Should make sure it's well shaken first. Oh, you can see the sparkles in there. Cool. You can always tell when the sparkles are well distributed because they don't stick to the bottom anymore. And you gotta pour it right away. Ah, it's so thick now. It's like molasses. But that means it's gonna be beautiful. Okay. Pop this on here. I'll tilt it like that for a minute. Like that. But, oh dear. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Larry and I have agreed that this ink is going to be called Starry Night. Oh my god, Becky. That is so cool. Oh. That is so cool. Oh no. Did I run out already? I don't think I ran out. Maybe it just got stuck a little bit. Yeah. Sometimes these shimmer inks get stuck in the feed. Gotta give them a little bit of a shake. I realize you can't see whatever I'm doing. Ugh, so frustrating. Anyway. Oh, it's fantastic. This is wonderful. And of course you can't see what's going on because the middle camera, only the middle camera shows. Oh, wow. It's so cool. I'm all geeking out. I'm like, look at how freaking cool that is. Oh my gosh. Look, oh my gosh. Sparkle plenty. Wow. You guys are seeing what I'm seeing. So, this is really friggin' sparkly. Oh my gosh. Wow. I mean, when you look at it from like above, it's just black. But when you lay it down and the light hits it just right, oh man, that's fantastic. I'm gonna have to make more. So cool. Anyway, that's all for right now. Thank you all for coming on this experimentation with me. If you would like to purchase some Starry Nite, leave me a comment in the section below, and I will send you some. That's all for right now. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Okay, love you, bye.